Welcome. Let's take a look at our top story this hour. The U.S. Supreme Court has ended constitutional protections for abortion that had been in place for nearly 5 decades after the U.S. top court overturned the landmark 1973 Roe v. Wade ruling. Individual U.S. states are now legally entitled to ban abortions. It is expected that at least half of them will be banning abortion in the coming few weeks. However, liberal states in America have pledged to act as safe havens for women seeking abortions in anticipation of a surge of patients from areas where the procedure will be banned. The Democratic governors of California, Oregon, and Washington issued a joint message declaring that the West Coast will remain a place where reproductive health care will be accessible and protected.
Today, with the Supreme Court ruling to overturn Roe v. Wade, more than half the states in the United States ban abortion outright or severely restrict access to abortion services.
That's why California, Oregon, and Washington are building the West Coast offense to protect patients' access to reproductive care.
We're going to work with our legislators, with our providers, with our patient advocates.
To give you a better analysis of the roadmap ahead and which U.S. states will be banning abortion, take a look at the map on your screens. The states marked in red are the ones that will definitely restrict abortion now that Roe v. Wade has fallen. There are at least 22 states where abortion is set to become illegal. Most of these are Republican-controlled states. There are 13 states that have so-called trigger laws in place, which will lead to an immediate ban. 7 states, including Kentucky, Louisiana, Oklahoma, Missouri, and South Dakota, have already banned abortion. Texas and Tennessee have set a period of 30 days between the release of the judgment and a new ban coming into force. Texas has even declared June the 24th as a holiday, and Iowa, Georgia, Ohio, and South California are among states that have passed laws restricting abortion after 6 weeks of pregnancy. Now, the ones in orange are the ones where it will be accessible but not protected. The yellow states are the ones where abortion will continue to be legal. In states marked in blue, abortion will not only be legal, they will moreover provide expanded access to those seeking abortion in America. The states also differ in how they ban abortions. For example, Idaho provides exceptions for rape or incest, but Kentucky only does so if the pregnant woman's life is in danger. And in all of these states where abortion will be banned, women and other people who can become pregnant will need to travel hundreds of miles to reach an abortion provider or self-manage abortions at home through medications. For more on this, we were earlier joined by Democratic strategist Christina Carrica Haley from New York. Listen in.
It goes without saying that this is a dark day for our country. It's been a roller coaster of emotions for the past 2 days, as you mentioned, with the Supreme Court's ruling against the New York state where I sit gun ban. And it really is a hypocritical ruling that we were dealing with today. A lot of folks, I think, expected to be a little bit more prepared for this decision, being that about a month ago, maybe a little bit over, we got a leak indicating that there might be a decision kind of made in this direction. But I don't think the magnitude was ever realized. And the juxtaposition of it being put next to this decision where it is legal to carry a concealed firearm, but illegal for a woman to choose what to do with her own body is absolutely just breathtaking.
WION, now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.